Alright, I'm going back to see if my father's still here or he left. Knowing him, he probably got pissed off and left me here. Let's see if he's still there. Okay, you ready? You ready there? Thanks, Dad. How's your nose feel?
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can drive.
yeah, just drive away. I wouldn't even say that to this guy. Let's see what this guy. Let's go. Don't even listen to him. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
No habla inglés. No sé yo. No habla español. Only English.
No, that's okay. No, sorry. No, get a job. No, sorry. Bye-bye, my friend.
Bye-bye.
He'll rob you if you don't give him $1. No, if you go to the left, it's the police station and the where the. I took some nice video for you. The beaches are all closed. You're not allowed in Cerro Gordo, any of the beaches where we still have water pressure. There's some kind of toxic in the water. All the beaches are closed from here, all to Manatee and up to.
Not the Puerto Ricans.
Let's get the fuck out. Now, they originally were supposed to make the road connect to there, but they're not doing it.
What's going on over here? Should have gave the little bastard $1.
Yeah, go straight.
Why? No,
They don't have to go right, left. You go right out that way. I missed it. You were right. We should have went straight. There's the beach road over there if you want to make
over there.
And now make it right. If you want to go down and see the police station, it's to the left.
Police station?
Yeah.
Mike, I'm in the fucking witness protection program. Why would I want to go back?
Yeah, you're in the witness protection of what? You're funny.
Did you see that big house on the beach?
Yeah.
Is that a private house?
Yes.
No shit.
They built that within the last 10 years because that wasn't there when I was here 10 years ago. They're trying to. You want to get it? Let's pull over. I want to get a beer. Let's see if there's a beer over there. There's too expensive. I'll show you where I get a beer. Make the. If you want to go straight, we can go straight. Take a little look at this.
Is that the ocean?
Yeah, the ocean's right in front of us, right here. This will be a nice little beach ride, and then we can make a left to get it. But we have to come back the way we came. This is where I wanted to go.
Oh, I thought this was the
Here's the beach. That's where I just was. See?
This is where we got the beach.
Yeah, just stop for a second right here. Yeah, that's where we bought the beers like 10 years ago. With Jackie. Pull up a little. Right there. Let me get a picture. I'll be right out.